Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. I help you understand your spending habits and help you plan for a brighter future so you have more control over your hard-earned pennies with saving, budgeting, motivation and guidance. So today we will be talking about 3 more savings tips that you can use. I will be linking the playlist on top for you to make sure that you can have a look at all the previous ones we've discussed in the past. The first tip for today is unsubscribing on your email lists. Now, the email list is a great way for stores to send a lot of offers your way and all deals constantly, telling you, come on, come buy something new, come buy something extra for your home. And this is a way where they get us as consumers to spend a lot of our hard-earned money unnecessarily for stuff we don't want and don't need. So if you need something in the house, you will go out and go find your deals, go find your specials to actually buy it. So it's a good idea to unsubscribe to all these email lists, because all they do is attract your attention to buy stuff you don't actually need and don't really want at that time. The next tip is, what do you have in your area that's free and cheap to do? Something that's like a day out or a couple of hours for you and your family, just to have some me time and relax together as a family. Now, when we used to live in Trowbridge, there was a nice little place just outside of Trowbridge that we went to on the weekends when it's a nice day, where we walked along a route where there was loads of animals for Cindy to see, and there was even animals that she could feed. Now, this was a nice day out because it was all the family together and Cindy had a lot of fun, even playing on the playground. And if we plan to go there for the whole day, I'd usually take us a little picnic, a packed lunch. So have a look at what do you have in your area that you can use to get yourself a cheap way out, to have a nice day. Maybe there's some canals where you can go for a nice walk and get yourself some exercise as well. If you're lucky like us, over the spring and summer, we actually have swans in our area where we can see them from baby chicks as they grow up to being proper swans. So Cindy usually loves to go once or twice a week, go looking for them to see how they are growing up and how big they are getting. So have a look at what you have that's in your area that you can use for a nice day out for you and your family. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, the last point for today is limiting gift giving. Now, this is a great way in our current circumstances where people are able to still buy presents for their loved ones without having to feel bad. It's a great way where families can put their heads together and deciding with our current situation, what is it that everyone can afford and what limits do you want to put on buying gifts, especially for birthdays and holidays. Because you don't want to end up spending money you don't have, but you also don't want to end up feeling like you don't care because you're not spending a lot of money. Now, if you would like to have a look at Christmas that's coming soon and you'd like to save a bit of money for that, make sure you go and have a look at our Christmas challenge and join us in to be able to help you save money for your Christmas, so hopefully you don't have a stressful Christmas. I'll be leaving you a link in the description below for you to give me a call if you would like to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Please leave any questions or any topics requested in the comments below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye!